Hello music creators, Mike here, and in this video we are going to do a challenge to compose a complete cinematic percussion performance in 10 minutes. I already created the sound template for this, so let's start the clock and begin right now. So what I like to do with any percussion performances is starting with the main beat first, most often in the low end, so big drums, epic toms or taikos. Let's start with the main big drums first, and I'll set the tempo at 140 and then record, let's say, 8 bars. Was that 8 bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Then let's quantize those at around, I usually like to quantize not entirely at 100%, for rhythm perhaps 75%. Let's see what we have. Okay. And then I want to use these epic toms and add a couple of more notes here. Nope, didn't like that. Something. Let's use the low first, just low toms here. Okay. In fact, let's do the taikos instead. Okay, so I have but it can be good sometimes to do it like this, so I actually watch this here. I think this is possible. Yeah. Like that. So I don't double all beats, but in fact have them separate like this. And then sometimes I just add a different color. Let's do it like that. So when you go in and have a look here, you can actually watch them separated by the color of the region. Let's do this epic kit. What is it? Damage Armageddon ensemble next. Something here. Something like that, and then quantize to around 70 or so. Let's do another color on that one, just to have some separation. And then you can see them here. All right, let's add on the same track on the taikos here, but on the higher parts, because, or in fact, let's do the snare, because I want to have those basically as not only fills, but also respect these main beats here. Something like this. Whoops, what I'm recording now. Okay, let's listen to only the big drums while we record the snares here. Like so. No, once more. No, didn't like that. Something like that. Then let's see. I think we have to have 16th notes here because of that. Let's see, it's 70. Let's use another color for it. Like so. And then we get to the toms here. No, that's for fills. Just add some sticks for the high mids. Like that. Those can be a bit tighter. Okay, I don't want any doubles here. Let's use another one for that. Some light blue. Then add some shimmer. Let's see, some shakers here. Like that. Let's see, this I want more groove in, so let's reduce it like that. In the quantize, let's use another color here. Something like that. I don't know what the time is, so let's keep at it. These taikos. Now I want to add more mids. No, too much. Okay, so let's do it like this. Almost close. I think I got these ones wrong right there. And let's quantize these guys. Okay, so these were a bit too early. Let's quantize everything to, yeah, 16s at like 60% or so. Let's change this to blue color. I want to add some rolls here. So I'm just going to go in. Instead of recording them, doing it like this. Let's zoom in. Like so. And then let's open up here so we can do a roll like that. Let's see. Like that. And on the snare as well. I think I can copy these guys here to the snare. Right here. Let's see, where are you now? You are way off. You should be there. Let's move it up a bit like that. Okay, like that. And then like some toms for filling up here. Or in fact, let's do the metals. Like that, and then I want to do some cymbal crashes. Let's do some shimmering first. So that is basically a ride cymbal. Like so. Let's go in, quantize, I think 8 notes. 70%, and then let's add some crash cymbals. Okay, too much, way too much. One cymbal, right, left. Like that, and only the double cymbals at the beginning and at the end there. Let's quantize again. 65%. Let's do it like that. I don't know what the timing is, so let's just fill it up with some toms here at the end to fill it up really. Okay, so the beat was okay, but the actual, let's see, the sound was off. I need more reverb, so let's just add some reverb on it. And let's do whole, fill music whole, and then dial it back. And then let's see, what do we have here? Some 8 notes at 60% or so. And then let's finish off with some supercharger, some character here, some compression, parallel compression, some saturation, and let's see how it all sounds like. Stop the clock. No, wait. Let's add some sound effects hits as well. Okay, so what do we have? Just add some finishing touch right there. Like so, or something. Alright, we made it! So this is the sound of the complete cinematic percussion performance we just recorded. Alright! I should probably add some reverb on that final hit, but this was all made live in 10 minutes, so I think we did okay.